In today's video, we'll be talking about a powerful tool that is a must for all content creators to have. Either you're just starting out or you are looking for a way to revive your channel. It is called OBS Studio. It's a complete free and open source. So in this video, we'll be learning about what is OBS Studio, why choose OBS Studio, the benefit of using OBS Studio, and also we'll be talking about downloading and how to install it properly on your computer. Without wasting much of our time, let's get right into it. OBS Studio is free and open broadcast software used for video recording and live streaming. It is popular among most content creators, whether they are streamer or you are just open broadcaster, for its versatility and powerful features. So why choose OBS? One, it is free and open source. When they are talking about free and open source, it is completely free to download and to use. There is no any hidden fees or any premium upgrade. Being open software, it is constantly evolving with updates from a large community of developers, ensuring that all the software remain relevant and up to date. The second reason to choose OBS is cross-platform. OBS is available for Windows, Mac OS, and Linux. Make it accessible to a wider range of users. It allows creators to switch between platforms without learning any other tools. 3. Powerful customization option. OBS Studio allows users to create a personal stream with scenes, overlays, custom transition, and audio settings. It also makes use of third-party plugins. The next reason to use OBS Studio is multiple source and scene creation. You can combine different sources like webcam, screen capture, images, text, and media files in one stream or recording when you are recording. The next reason is no watermark or time limit. Unlike other free tools, OBS does not place watermark on your content or impose limits of your live streaming or record duration or recording duration, giving you full control over your content. And lastly, regular updates and strong community support. With a large and active user base, frequent updates, OBS Studio constantly improving. Now we are going to talk about the benefit of using OBS Studio. Benefit of using OBS Studio. 1. We are going to talk about the visual camera support. The visual camera feature lets you output OBS video as a webcam feed, making it perfect for an online meeting or a presentation on a platform like Zoom and Google Meet. Next one is recording and editing. OBS allows you to record your stream for a later editing or to upload directly to your video platform. This is especially for creating content for YouTube or storing an important broadcast. The next benefit is live streaming. You can either live stream both in vertical or horizontal at the same time. In this case, it will help you to increase your watch hour very fast than you can even imagine. The next benefit of OBS is multiple feature for production. OBS include a multi-view feature that allow you to preview your scene before switching them, similarly to what professionals use in broadcasting studio. This is the best for live events, podcasts, or any situation where smooth transition are keys. And the last one is reliable for a long-form content. Like a YouTube creator, OBS is stable and reliable for a long-form streaming or recording, making it excellent choices for marathon streaming, webinars, broadcasts without worrying about crashes or any time limit. Even if it crashes, there is a settings that we are going to get to that will save you a lot of headache, even if your OBS crash. The next one that we are going to talk about is the downloading and the setup of this OBS into our various computers. So you go to obsproject.com. That is where you are going to go to download. I'll put the link in the description below directly. So when you get there, you will choose which one is your operating system. If it is Windows or it is Mac or Linux, it is you that you choose. You decide which one you want to download. Then once you get there, click on download. Okay, when you click on download, it will bring you to this place here so that you can be able to choose which one is your own operating system. Like my own, I have to download this which is my own. When you click on it, it will say thank you for downloading OBS, and you will see here that I've started downloading this, which is OBS Studio 0.2.3, okay, Mac OS. So that is when I downloaded it. I will now go to my folder, which is this. As you can see, I will go to my folder here, where I downloaded it. I will double click on it to make it open. Once I double click on it, because I am using Mac, this is how it look. If you are using Windows, you know how to do that. You know how to go there, double click the same thing. But as a Mac user, if you are using Mac, what you just do is just drag your OBS and put it inside the application. So it will automatically download for you. Okay, it will automatically download, and the next thing you're going to do is, once you have downloaded it, then you go to your applications. You go to your applications and click on it. Then you look for OBS, which is, you can see my OBS here. Then you click on it to open it. When you open up OBS for the first time, it's going to welcome you with this type of interface that you are seeing. Don't worry, I will break it down for you step by step on what to do on this OBS. To start OBS, you might want to run an auto configuration wizard. So I will take you to how to run it. You come up, it will show you, it asks you to run auto configuration, since you are just downloading it for the first time. So it will bring this interface for you, and you will see it will ask you, optimize for streaming, recording is secondary, or optimize for recording and I will not be streaming, or I will only be using it for visual camera. As I said, when I was talking about the benefit of using an OBS, I mentioned something about visual camera. Okay, so it will be asking you, but like me, I will advise we optimize for streaming, because you can also be using it for recording as well. Because live streaming is what you need as a beginner, or you want to get your 4,000 watch hour. You need to learn how to live streaming, and you need to learn, when you are learning how to live streaming, you need to live stream like a professional, not having a watermark on your video. Shows the world, shows your subscriber, shows your community that you are a professional in this field. So that is the only way you can live stream. So this is the only application. It's not only application, but there's still another application that I'm still going to put us through. But this OBS is the one most professional they use in live streaming. So that's why I am using it to show us how to set it up. So without wasting that time, let's get back and then set it up with Auto Wizard. So what we are going to do is, we optimize for streaming. As I said, let's optimize for streaming. Then you click on next. When you click on next, it will ask you that the base Canva, most operating software, they has 1920 by 8010 pixel. That is what they have, the base Canva resolution, most operating system. If you have 4K, you can choose it as well, but my own is this, and this is what I'm going to choose. So the FPS, I will preferable you should use 30, because if you are going to be doing a talk like the one I am doing, 30 is okay. Except if you want to be a gamer, then you can now choose 60. So I would prefer to choose 30, because the more frame that you choose, the more your internet must be powerful. So 30 is normal and it's okay. So I will choose 30. Then I will go and click next. So when I click next, it will ask you that you should connect your account for your streaming. So what I will advise you is connect your YouTube account directly. Don't use stream key. Connect it directly, because there is still a way around that. If you want to stream live to either Facebook or any other platform, there's still a possibility to do that as well. So when you click on connect current account, it will take you to your Google account like this. This is your Google. It will ask you that you should choose the account that you want to connect. Then you will click on it. Then I will type your account there, the one that you want to connect. So we'll ask for your password. Put your password there as well. Then you click on next. So we'll ask you to verify by two-step verification, as you can see. Okay. So you go to your phone or anywhere you want to confirm it, to confirm your two-step verification. So now you will now choose which account did you want to connect to this live streaming. So I'm going to choose this account, because I have different accounts. I'm going to choose make sure you choose the rightful account that you want to connect to it. Then I'll click on my own account that I want to connect. Then I will now click on you will now click on continue. Authorization completed success. You can see. So after the auto configuration, it will take you to the to this thing, you can see, as you can see here, it says the program has been determined that this estimated setting are for the most ideal for you. So because you are streaming to YouTube, is a primary one, as you can see it here. Okay, you can see it here. Okay, you can see 30 frame and the resolution, camera output, everything has been there. The next thing that you are going to click is you click on apply settings. So once you apply settings, you will see this is what will bring you YouTube control, a lot of things that you can see here as well. So you just close this one, and then you will see that it will tell you any prompt. This one shows that you have connected your YouTube account, because you will see this YouTube chat. It said once a broadcast has been created for your live chat will appear here. Private broadcasts are not supported. So if you are broadcasting privately, you will not see any chat here. But this is just a simple way to set up your OBS. So if you are looking for a free and open source streaming and recording solution, I highly recommend giving OBS Studio a try. In my next video, I'll be showing you the perfect setup for your recording. That is it for today. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and then watch the next video that you will see on your screen.